Eric with Leaping Lizards here with our skid steer inflatable. This is a very large bounce house. It has some awesome graphics on the side. Imitation treads. Got the scoop in the front. Again, nice graphics imitating dirt on the entrance. Skid steer, in case you're not familiar, is the generic term for a bobcat earth mover. So you enter through the front, climb inside to the very large bouncing area. You have the back wall that kids love running into. But on the other three sides and up top, you have this netting. Lets tons of air in, lots of sunlight. Great for any kid that loves construction equipment, earth movers. You're having a construction themed birthday party. Again, Leaping Lizards, serving Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky with all your inflatable and party rental needs.